first grade. We are going to do some more phonics lessons. We're going to be learning about the long A sound. So, AI makes the long A sound, AY together makes the long A sound, and A blank, remember consonant goes there, E, so that's superhero E, remember? He's gonna fly over the consonant, and his stick makes this A say its name. So we're gonna do the long A sound. Remember, long A means that the A says his name. So let's think of some words that go under these categories. So with AI, we have rain. We have pain. Chain. Let's see, what else? Let's see, paint. Like you paint a picture. Rain, pain, chain, paint, tail. We've been learning about mammals in science, and some of our mammals have a tail. So that's our AI that makes the long A sound. Let's look at some AY words that make the long A sound. So we have day, say, may I please come. If you want to do the month of May, remember you'd have to capitalize the M because months of the year are capitalized. So day, may, say pray. Let's see, what else could we do? Stay. Like stay here. We tell our dog Coco, stay. So she stays. So let's do some words that have what we call the superhero E at the end. Makes the A say its name. Remember, consonant goes there. So let's think of some words that we can do for that. So let's think of name. You write your name on the top of the paper. So see how our M would go there. So name. Superhero E makes the A say its name. Name. Game. We will play a game. We've been playing board games a lot. We've been playing, actually Yahtzee has been our favorite lately. Name, game, late. Don't be late. Name, game, late. Plate. We put our food on our plate. Shade. A tree is good for shade. So again, that superhero E is making the A say its name, making it be a long vowel, so we gotta mark it with a stick. So, name, game, late, plate, shade, day, say, may, pray, stay, rain, pain, chain, paint, and tail. So, those are 3 different ways that make the long A sound. So I hope that helped you. All right, guys, miss you. Bye.